Hi Sagittarius, welcome to another love reading of yours. This is for Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. It is the timeless reading, guys, so when you watch it is when you were meant to watch it. Some of the energies of the cards here can be flipped, so feel free to switch those energies, vice versa. Time is fluid, as you know. You could have dealt with this energy or will be dealing with in the near future. If you don't need a personal reading, all that lovely information is going to be down below. This is for my Sagittarius in love. Let's see, what do we have for my Sagittarius in love, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Right, okay. Let's see what happened in the past. The Six of Wands in reverse. Okay, Page of Cups. Let me just lay down the cards and I'm going to get back to you in a minute. Okay. Sagittarius, the overall energy for you is the Ten of Wands in reverse. Okay, so this is a situation that has been draining you out for a very long time. Okay, it's almost like you were holding the burdens of a situation that was, it was very overwhelming situation, and you could have been carrying the load of this situation for a very long time. Okay, and now it's almost like this is the end of the road for you, and you've released or let go of a burdensome situation is what I'm getting. You let go of something that was exhausting you, okay, something that was weighing you down. You've just let it go. You've laid down a situation is what I'm getting. In the past, with the Six of Wands in reverse here, something was not moving forward, okay, something, there was a lack of success or lack of victory in a situation, or something just did not work out is what I'm getting. Okay, in the current situation, there could be someone who's coming in with an apology, okay, or there's someone who's wanting to open up and wanting to be vulnerable in a situation. On this person's mind, with the Nine of Swords in reverse, is I think this person is sleeping better. Okay, this is what is on this person's mind. You know what, Sagittarius, I'm reading for the person who is let's see, never mind. The Nine of Swords in reverse is on this person's mind. Okay, so this person probably could have been stressing a lot about the situation, but now I think they're accepting the situation better. Okay, it's like they're no more stressing so much about the situation, and it's almost like, all right, I get it. I mean, I've been there, done that for a very long time, but I'm not going to waste or invest my energy into thinking about anything that has to do that brings me a lot of negativity or drains me out emotionally is what I'm getting. Okay, how this person views you is this person views as the Three of Wands in reverse. Okay, so they feel you're turning your back on them. Okay, they feel you're not waiting anymore, and that this person's emotions, they want a reconciliation. With the Page of Cups, this is someone who's wanting to offer you love, wanting communication, or this is just someone who's coming in with an apology, but they want reconciliation. That's on their mind. The Nine of Swords in reverse can also be something where, you know, instead of things getting better, it's just getting worse. Okay, we'll see, we'll clarify. Okay, how this person wants to move forward with you is the Hermit in reverse. Okay, so I think this person could have ghosted you for a very long time, but now they're coming out of isolation and I think they're ready to talk to you. They're wanting to return to you is what I'm getting. I'm getting a lot of wanting to return to you after you let this person go. What's going on behind the scenes is the Seven of Wands in reverse. Okay, so this is someone who could have been on guard for a very long time. This person could have been very, very defensive, or this person could have just tried and maintained a distance from you for a while. Okay, shut down emotionally, not wanting to be vulnerable. Okay, they had like these 7 wands away from you. Okay, they were like, the guards were high up. Again, they were standing their ground. They were being very, very stubborn, but I think what they're doing is they're giving up now. They're not being stubborn anymore. Okay, your advice is the Nine of Wands in reverse. Okay, which is letting your guards down. Okay, it's like forgiving and learning and letting people in. Maybe you were catching on this person's energy also, and you were also equally guarded, but your advice is let your guards down. Okay, let this person in is what I'm getting. However, the likely outcome between you and the person you're dealing with is the Temperance in reverse. Okay, which is again a lack of patience, overindulgence, or something's just going to throw you guys off balance is what I'm getting. Alright, let's clarify the Ten of Wands in reverse. Why is the Ten of Wands in reverse here? The overall energy for Sagittarius. Yeah, so you could have let go of a commitment which was almost like a wish fulfillment, or you're healing now from a connection that didn't work out. Okay, you're closing the door on someone is what I'm getting with the Four of Wands in reverse here and the Ten of Wands in reverse. You're letting go of a stable connection. You're letting go of a connection that was very, very committed. Even if it was not committed, it was as good as committed was I'm getting, okay? But you're drawing, you're shutting the door, slamming the door on their face, you're letting it go, and you're wanting to heal. And with the Nine of Cups here, it's almost like I'm getting you're ending things with this person, okay? With the World here, I'm getting that ending cycles with someone, okay, to start a new cycle, okay? Yes, it can be endings and new beginnings, okay? But we'll see if you're trying to start a new beginning with this person, or just starting a new beginning and shutting the cycle for good. But I think with the Nine of Cups here, you realize that you're the only one who can make yourself happy, and you're emotionally being very, very independent, is what I'm getting. All right. Fly with the Six of Wands in reverse. Okay, so in the past, things could also have been on hold with this person, okay? But with the Wheel of Fortune here, I feel that you got the ball rolling, okay? Things were definitely moving on your favor. And with the Hangman here, there was someone here, or you were trying to see things from another person's point of view, and things were moving forward, okay? So then why is the Page of Cups here as the current situation? Why is the Page of Cups here? Yeah, see, someone wants to offer you an apology, but with the Fool in reverse here, you don't want to take a risk. I think this person who's come in, right, you could have been through hell and back with this person, and now you don't want this apology is what I'm getting. I don't think you're opening up to this person anymore. For you, it's like, you know what, I've been through hell and back, I've done a lot, and now I don't trust you, is what I'm getting. Why is the Fool in reverse? Yeah, see, you're giving up with the Strength in reverse here. You're giving up, or there was someone here who was holding on to this very strongly, okay? Now there's someone who's giving up on this connection. I'm getting you are tired of dealing with this situation, okay? You're just throwing your hands up in the air, and now you have huge trust issues with this person, but they want to come in and communicate with you. Could be an apology, could be a love offer, okay? But this person wants to come in and talk to you. Why is the Nine of Swords in reverse here on this person's mind? Why is the Nine of Swords here in reverse? Yeah, because you let the Tower fall. For you, you know what, it's more like I'm getting like a realization is what I'm getting with the Tower here, okay? With the Queen of Wands in the bottom of the deck, I'm feeling almost like, you know what, you were resisting this ending for a very long time. You were not wanting the Tower to fall, but now it's like, you know what, yes, just let the Tower fall. It's just not working out. I'm getting a lot of exhaustion. It was stressing you out, it was draining you out, you know. The Ten of Wands can be a very draining energy, okay? This situation could have been on your mind for a very long time, and you were almost at the end of it. Tens are completion, okay? You were almost at the end of it, okay? And you probably, I'm getting almost like tried to give in your last, you gave it your last energy, whatever you could have given it, and you just let it fall, and now you're like, you know what, I don't even care about it anymore. What is the Tower? Why is the Tower here? So the Tower could be like a realization. Why is the Tower here? See, and things are not moving forward now because you let this Tower crash, and now things have come to a halt. I'm getting you almost try to force this relationship to move forward, okay? Or you just thought things were completely spiraling out of control, and now nothing was in your hands, so you just let this Tower crash. What is it? And now this person views you as someone who's just turned your back. You've turned your back towards this person after ending this connection with this person, and now they want to come in and offer this apology or whatever it is. They want a reconciliation with you. Why is the Three of Wands in reverse? Yeah, because they view you as someone who's stuck in their head. They feel you've still not made a decision, or you're just blocking them out with the Two of Swords. I feel that, you know what, it could also be that, you know, you made a decision, all right? And with the Three of Wands and reverse, your decision is to move forward is what I'm getting. You're blocking them from entering your life is what I'm getting. Very detached, very cold towards them, okay? But they see you as someone who's stuck in their head. What is the Two of Swords? What is the Two of Swords? What is the Two of Swords? Yeah, so they see you as waiting with the Seven of Pentacles here, okay? They see you as waiting for the fruition of their labor, okay? They see you still waiting and wanting to invest or re-evaluating the entire situation or the relationship, okay? That's why you're still not making a decision, but they see that you're probably wanting to give up on them and not wanting to wait on them anymore. Why is the Three of Swords in reverse here on this person's emotions? They miss you. This person misses you. They see you as their soulmate, okay? But with the Knight of Swords in reverse here, this person is holding back on purpose is what I'm getting. They want to rush in. If they could just talk to you now, but they're purposely holding back. Either this person doesn't have enough information because you've cut them out, you're not communicating, you've given up on this person, or this person is just waiting for the right time, okay? But right now they're not feeling confident enough to come in and approach you or just come in and speak to you right now, okay? But with the Three of Swords in reverse and then the Six of Cups, this person wants to come back to you, okay? They see you as their soulmate. They want the reconciliation. Okay, how does this person want to move forward with Sagittarius? With the Hermit in reverse. Why is the Hermit in reverse? This person can't move away from you. This person could have been very deceptive in the past, okay, with the Seven of Swords in reverse here. More than deceptive, I'm getting not like deceptive in a bad way, but yes, deceptive in a way that I feel this person could have been withholding a lot of information, or this could just be someone, you know, who has a tendency of a lot of self-denial of their feelings or self-sabotaging a connection, okay? But now they're realizing that they don't want to do this anymore with the Seven of Swords in reverse here, and now they want to come in and they want to communicate with you with the Queen of Swords in reverse here. They want to have direct communication with you. They want to have clarity in the situation because they are coming out of that isolation hermit mode and they can't move away from you. They can't walk away from you. They want to come back to you. Again, I'm getting a lot of comeback after you've just let this relationship go. Okay. Why is the Seven of Wands why is the Seven of Wands in reverse going on behind the scenes? Why is the Seven of Wands in reverse? See, this person now has a lot of disappointment, okay, after being so defensive about the entire relationship, okay? With the Five of Cups here, this person is now crying over spilt milk, okay? They've given up on this. They've given up their stance, okay? Again, I'm getting this person could be someone very, very defensive, someone who just, their guards were too high up when they wanted to let you come in, okay? And you gave up on them because you could have waited and waited and waited. Things were on hold for a very long time, all right? And now you're throwing your hands up in the air and you've let the tower fall, you've let the tower crash, and now that things are not moving forward, right? Now this person is letting their guards down, they're giving up, they're no more guarding themselves, but there's a lot of regret, okay? The crying was spilt milk. I'm getting a huge element of guilt here. They're feeling very guilty. Again, with the Seven of Swords in reverse, this person's feeling very guilty about whatever charade they put up with, or whatever their defense mechanism was, okay, to protect themselves, okay? So that's what I'm getting. Okay, let's see. Why is this person the Eight of Cups? Why does this person want to move forward as the Eight of Cups in reverse? Clarify the Eight of Cups in reverse. Now this person wants to offer you commitment. Now this person wants to offer you stability, security, growth, anything and everything that you want. Now that you've let it go, it's all coming back to you. They want this all with you. They want to invest in you. They want stability, growth. Again, this is just commitment. Okay, this is just commitment. This person who could have been someone with the Page of Pentacles in reverse, you could be dealing with someone who's emotionally very, very immature, okay? But this is someone, again, who wanted to offer stability to you, but they were purposely putting things on hold, okay? It's like extreme manipulation, trying to keep things on hold and trying to make things difficult, more difficult than they seem, okay? Again. All right, Nine of Wands in reverse is your advice. So why is the Nine of Wands in reverse as the advice for Sagittarius? Why for the Nine of Wands in reverse? Nine of Wands in reverse and the Ace of Swords in reverse. Yeah, so I am getting an advice of don't feed in this connection right now. They're getting, be clear in your head because you still don't have clarity. So it's almost like it's asking you to forgive, learn, but again, at the same time, it's asking you not to be so guarded, okay? But with the Ace of Swords in reverse here, there is a lack of clarity again in the situation, okay? There's a lack of communication here, all right? So it's almost like I'm feeling, hold your truth. I'm getting, wait for this person to come towards you, okay? And now you don't make the effort is what I'm getting. Nine of Wands in reverse is someone, you know, who's just like giving up on a situation because they've been pushing and pushing for a very long time, okay? So I'm getting like, don't push through anymore because there's still a lack of clarity here, okay? Something's still clouding your judgment, or there's just something, some truth, which is still waiting to be revealed. So that's why it's asking you to hold back communication. Why is the Temperance in reverse as the likely outcome? Try for the Temperance in reverse. Yeah, see, What's the Ace of Wands here? Okay. Yes. So your new beginning is coming. We have the Ace of Wands and the Ace of Pentacles, okay, with the Temperance in reverse here, all right? What I'm getting is, it's very weird. Take it as it resonates, but I'm getting is that keep yourself away from anything that drives you into drama, okay? Just keep away from anything that drains your energy. But with the Temperance in reverse, I'm getting you're losing your patience, but have faith in divine timing, because your brand new beginning, okay, with the Ace of Wands, your clean slate, and the Ace of Pentacles, your commitment, both are coming in. You're losing your patience, yes, but have faith that there is something that's going on in divine timing, okay? This person is changing. The tables are completely changing, okay? It's like they're completely in for this, okay? You're throwing your hands up in the air. You're completely giving up on the situation, and now they're completely in for it, if you understand what I'm saying. Wait for it. Don't communicate right now, okay? Don't rush into anything, but yes, at the same time, let your guards be down, okay? I'm getting, let this person come in and communicate with you. Let them explain to you what they need to say, okay? Let them open up, because now this person is wanting to open up emotionally and wanting to be vulnerable towards you, okay? I think there is a new beginning coming in, okay, with the World in reverse here. If this person was very, very confused, now they see things for what they are. They have a reality check, okay? And now this person wants to move in slowly and steadily towards you. They're taking baby steps. They're coming in slowly, okay? But yeah, with the Justice here, this person wants to make things correct, okay? They're wanting to bring in balance to the situation. So yeah, you hold up. Wait for this person to make the move and let them come towards you. All right, that's what I'm getting. Don't push this matter anymore. Leave it as is what I'm getting. But they're coming back. So it's up to you if you want this or not. You've already slammed the door on their face, okay, with the Four of Wands in reverse here. It was a situation that was completely killing you, I'm getting. You were very overwhelmed with the situation, and you just finally let it go. So it's up to you if you want to take this person back or not. They're coming. So that's what I have for you, Sag. And let me know if this reading resonates. Leave your comments below, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.